This is Mike. We cut and colored him about 2 months ago, and he's now back to recreate his textured Vanguard haircut. Start with thoroughly wetting the hair, making sure we have an even dampness throughout the cut from roots to ends. Your first section will be on the parietal ridge, using the natural implant of the hairline as a guide. Draw a clean line with the wide teeth of your Cricut comb from temple to approximately 1.5 inch above the occipital bone, and repeat on the other side. Second section in the previous created panel will be right behind the ear, isolating the flat panel in front of the ear. Use your clipper comb to lift up all of the hair until the top of the hair comes out in a 90-degree angle, setting in your baseline guide. Lift the next section of hair up to your previous cut baseline while focusing on the angle of your comb. Continue this process until you reach the perimeter. Double check working up from the perimeter. Loosely clean up the sideburn area to create a better vision of the final cut. Moving to the back of the head using the same lifting technique while using the crown as a pivot. Use your body position to create a perfect round guideline. Use your baseline as your guide, working with the nape area. Here you can clearly see the angle of the comb and how to work down from your baseline into the perimeter and nape area using clipper over comb techniques. Cross-check your cut lines for excess weight. Keep combing the hair into the desired direction to find the right flow. Repeat the process on the other side. Next section, ear to ear over the apex. Take a section about as wide as your Cricut comb, parallel to your previous section on the parietal ridge. Over-direct section to baseline. Use deep point cutting to softly connect your section, creating and maintaining length and weight above the occipital bone. Continue taking and over-directing parallel sections until no hair comes off. Comb the desired shape, check for flow and excess weight. Repeat on the other side. Isolate a triangle on top by sectioning from the apex to the temple areas. Isolate the areas in front of the ear to save for later. Take a vertical section right above the occipital bone and softly connect using deep point cutting. Use the crown as a pivot and follow your guide. Connect the top layer to the baseline without using tension. We will deal with the slight weight, bulk, and disconnection later. Take vertical sections and use point cutting to soften the connection without removing length. Repeat process on other side to check balance. Take a section in the top triangle parallel with the natural hairline. Comb the hair down using the longest length in front as a visual guide and loosely connect the sides by lifting and point cutting. Continue taking sections and over-direct them to the baseline, maintaining weight and length. Lifting the hair is the essence here. Repeat process on the opposite side. Take a section on top through the middle. Start by connecting the crown area, then follow through to the hairline, setting in desired top length. Comb all remaining hair to previous cut middle section, creating a light concave shape through over direction. Use a deep point cutting technique all over to add texture. Choosing your favorite Reuzel products, Grooming Tonic and the Fiber Gel before blow drying to add hold. Blow dry the hair into the desired shape using a bent brush and finger drying. Use clipper over comb techniques to detail and refine your taper. Vary between clipper open and clipper closed to refine and outline the nape area. Use your trimmers to refine perimeter. Use blending scissors to add texture, refine, and remove excess weight. Use your blending scissors to add shorter support hair and for hold and movement. Check overall weight, texture, balance, and movement. Add final details with deep point cutting and slicing. Grab your favorite Reuzel styling products, such as the Severed Head by Liquid Death and the green. Comb into desired shape.